What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Starbase Wraps. Today I'm going to be removing some vinyl. It looks like someone might have keyed a Tesla mirror, so the car is wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it and rewrap that piece that got keyed. And it doesn't look like a rock chip like you'll see in the video. It looks like someone just dug a key in and scraped it. But luckily, the mirror is the easiest part to wrap on a Tesla. And there's like a million cameras all over the Tesla. So if people vandalize it, they're going to be on camera. You file a police report, all that type of stuff. But this one was my wife's car. I'm a pro rapper, so I can just replace it in 2 seconds. So I'm going to show you that process in this video. All right, so we got a big scratch on our Tesla mirror right here. I don't know if it's like rock debris or it kind of looks like someone just keyed it really bad. But that's okay. The mirror's actually the easiest piece on a Tesla to wrap. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and so that way you can see what the wrap looks like when it comes off, and then we'll just rewrap it. And then to kind of heat up and remove the wrap, I'll be using my Chief Steamer 100. That's just going to loosen up the wrap. I tried to peel it with my finger, but I need to heat this up. That way it'll just kind of come off nicely and not leave a bunch of glue behind. So that's heating up right now. Once that gets to about 100, I will start steaming this, and then we'll peel the wrap right off. We're gonna be steaming away in margaritas. Going right off of there, no glue. Let me steam the rest of it because I only did a little part. Let me get this edge here. I don't want to leave a bunch of glue on the edge. Perfect. And even if, let me show you on camera here. So even if there is a little residue, like, I don't know, let's see if we can zoom in there. You can kind of see some glue residue there. The cool thing about the steamer is you just steam it right off. Residue is gone. So because I have the steamer, I don't have to scrape your mirror, or scrape your paint, or spray a bunch of harsh chemicals on your paint. I just use the steam. So if you need a wrap removal, you can always go to starbasewraps.com, send me an email, send me a text, let me know what you're looking for, and I'd be happy to remove your wrap safely, right? We don't want to be all scratched up or, you know, have a bunch of ghosting in your paint because a bunch of adhesive remover is sprayed on it. So this steam's going to be a lot safer than spraying adhesive remover all over your nice paint. We got all the wrap taken off of here, and you can kind of see the scratch. So the scratch is right here. You can kind of faintly see it right there. So before I rewrap it, I'm going to polish that scratch out. But since I just removed the adhesive and the wrap, I'm just going to go ahead and give it a clay bar real quick to get it ready to polish out. Just using a little bit of clay lube right here. I think this is from O&R, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm just gonna clay bar the whole thing, get any like little residual specks off of there. Yeah, it's pretty smooth though. Ooh, a little bit right there. Oh, that's not. Oh yeah, a little bit right there. And you can feel the adhesive with the clay bar because now it's moving really smooth, it's gliding really smooth. So that tells me it's picking up any of that residual adhesive. Oh yeah, that's real good. All right, so I'm gonna put my chemicals down here. Give it another wipe with the towel. Oh yeah, that's a million times better. Yeah, so steam and clay bar is the way to go in removing wrap. I haven't really priced this out for a whole car yet. I haven't had to remove a wrap on an entire car yet. But the way this is going, I'm probably thinking about $1,500 to remove wrap from a whole car, being that, you know, it's got to be in decent shape for that price. You know, if it's all cracked, that's going to be a nightmare to remove. I'm not going to do it. So, you know, don't leave your wrap on for more than 5 years. And just keep an eye on it too. You know, if you don't take care of your wrap, might only last 2 or 3 years. You know, you got to keep the thing coated and out of the sun. Otherwise, it's going to look bad. So, this wrap's been on just over a year. So it came off pretty easy actually. But I'm only doing this step because I'm going to polish. So I don't want to be, you know, gumming up my polishing pad with a bunch of, you know, leftover adhesive or dirt, debris, all that type of stuff. Yeah, so that's really good. Okay. Yeah, that got everything. So wipe it down. Yeah, get everything nice and wiped down. And then I'm gonna get a fresh rag, spray it down with some Car Pro eraser, put my clay bar back. And these are just Rag Company premium microfiber towels I use. I really like the Rag Company. Just use my Car Pro eraser here. Gonna give it a wipe down, get any fingerprints or residual oils from the clay lube off. Oh yeah, man, that feels real good. We got all the adhesive off. Since that scratch is kind of deep, I think I'm going to 2-stage it. So I'll be using a microfiber for my first pass and a Rupes yellow for my second pass. So for the first pass, I'm going to be using Jescar correcting compound. Shake it up pretty good. Yeah, it's very faint right here above my finger. All right, not half bad. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good looking mirror right there. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put our new wrap on the mirror right here. I tried to use the mirror tool, but I don't think that's gonna work. It's just asking too much from the wrap. So I'm just gonna 2-piece it, which is fine. You can't see it. This is in the back anyway. And this will prevent it from lifting in the future. So I think I'm just gonna continue to do 2-piece mirrors. Last few cars I've done have been Avery Dennison. And that wrap's just a little more thinner and more pliable than the KPMF. But still love the KPMF stuff. The color looks awesome. Oh yeah, freaking green, man. Yeah, a little bit of heat's all it takes, and this is gonna look amazing. Let's get some heat in here. And then we'll put just a little bit of heat on this inside part right here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks a lot. Yeah, it looks really good. I did switch to this Weldy heat gun. It's a fancier wrap heat gun. My Harbor Freight Bauer heat gun died, so that gave me an excuse to get the fancy wrap heat gun. Is it any better? I mean, it works about the same. I just like how it has this protective kind of cover right there, so I don't have to worry about burning myself. So that's really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some of this excess off right here. All right, there we go. Make sure this is all nice and sealed on there. There we go, okay. Yeah, that's good. All right, grab my knifeless tape. Okay, perfect. That number 4 there. Okay, good. Stuff always sticks to my fingers. All right, there we go. Okay, get this all pushed down real good. Okay, we put our knifeless down. Right. Do that, I'm gonna go crack a fresh blade real quick. Okay, should be nice and pliable. Good, that's all good. Heat that up a little bit. Good. Got it all nice and tight down here. Perfect. All right, trim off some of this excess. Okay, good. And then we'll roll our edges right here. There we go, good. Okay, there's a knife. Okay, and we got our mirror all wrapped up right here. You can kind of see, it looks really good. There's no more scratch on there. We'll come around here. Edges all look really good up in there. So we have ourselves a mirror. And that is going to do it for this video. Hopefully it helps put your mind at ease. If I wrap your car and let's say a tractor trailer tire goes out and just smokes your whole hood wrap, I can just rewrap that one panel. You don't have to have the whole car rewrapped. Most of the time I have extra wrap left over from jobs anyway, so 9 times out of 10 you don't have to pay any extra money for wrap. I'll just charge you a small fee to install it. Like it'll be probably like $100 to do a hood or something. So it's not gonna be a few thousand just to replace that. It's gonna be like 100, $200, whatever the panel is. The front bumper truck is gonna be a little bit more because that's more time consuming. But for the most part, you know, a door, a hood, a fender, $100, no problem. I mean, that doesn't take very long to do one panel. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and we will catch you on the next Starbase Wraps video. Thanks for watching.